Have you ever asked a question in class and only one or two students raised their hands? What if there was a simple way to get every student thinking, speaking, and engaged? Today, I'll show you how to use Think, Pair, Share, a technique that transforms passive learners into active participants. Think, Pair, Share is a three-step strategy that encourages all students to participate in discussions. Instead of asking a question and waiting for one student to answer, this method ensures that every student has a chance to think, speak, and share ideas. It is simple, it is effective, and best of all, it works with students of all levels. First, you ask a question and give students time to think silently. For example, what is your favorite holiday and why? At this stage, no talking yet. Students just take a few moments to organize their thoughts. Why is this important? Giving students thinking time is key because many ESL learners need extra seconds to process their ideas, especially when speaking in a second language. Encourage students to write down a few words or a sentence or draw a picture to help them remember their ideas before speaking. Now, students turn to a partner and share their answers.
My favorite holiday is Christmas because I like spending time with my family. Oh, I love Christmas too, but my favorite holiday is Halloween because I love wearing costumes.
Why is this important? Many students feel nervous speaking in front of the whole class, but in pairs, they feel more comfortable. This step helps them practice speaking in a low-pressure environment before speaking in front of everyone. Walk around and listen to students. If needed, you can guide them by asking these questions.
Can you say that in a full sentence? Can you add more details? Use adjectives.
Now it's time for students to share their partner's answer with the class.
John said his favorite holiday is Christmas because he loves giving gifts. Amber likes Halloween because she loves dressing up.
Why is this important? By retelling what their classmate said, students practice active listening and speaking in complete sentences. If students struggle, write a sentence starter on the board. John said, or Amber's favorite holiday is. To keep things fun, you can mix up how students share. Call on random pairs. Have students stand up when they share. Or group two pairs together to share before speaking to the whole class. Why should we use Think, Pair, Share? This technique is powerful because every student thinks and participates. Shy students feel more comfortable speaking. It improves listening and teamwork skills. It encourages students to speak in full sentences. And you can use this technique in any ESL lesson, be it vocabulary review, grammar practice, or storytelling exercise. Now that you know how to use Think, Pair, Share, I challenge you to try it in your next ESL lesson. Let me know in the comments, how do you encourage students to speak in your classroom? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more ESL teaching tips. See you next time. Happy teaching, everyone.